How to fix a blank homepage on YouTube. So if you're not seeing any recommended videos on YouTube, I'm going to show you how to go and solve this issue. Now this will work on both computer and also mobile as well. Now if you're seeing the message that says try searching to get started, then what you'll need to do is first go and sign into your YouTube account, and then you'll need to go and search for some videos that you want to start watching. Now once you've searched for a video, go and click on any of these. You can then watch a couple of seconds of this video and head back over to the homepage. You should now be able to see these YouTube recommendations. If they don't show up straight away, then try searching for 2 to 3 more videos, and after you've watched a couple of videos, you'll be able to see these recommendations. So basically you'll only be able to see this once you have some watch history on YouTube. Now if it's still not working, there is one final solution. So click on the icon next to youtube.com and then press cookies and site data. Now press manage on device site data and then click on the trash icon next to YouTube. Now make sure to go and delete anything that comes up in this window, and then you can press done. You could then head back over to YouTube and once again sign into your YouTube account, and you should now be able to see the YouTube recommendations.